Hello guys, happy Friday to all of you and happy weekend in Dubai. It's weekend in Dubai and time check is 11 o'clock in the morning. So I hope you are all doing fine, safe and healthy. And today I'm gonna share with you on how I'll make my na sinigang na salmon and shrimp. So sinigang na salmon and shrimp. So I have here, actually I'm the only one will be eating this. My husband won't eat and my daughter won't eat. So I have this. So I just have put just one salmon and some, like, let's say 150 grams of shrimp. So I have shrimp, which is I have cut here in the middle just to remove the intestine. Okay, and I have marinated this with lemon and salt. Then I've set aside this for 1 hour now. So it's time to cook. Aside from this, I'm gonna put some veggies, so it's much more healthier, of course. So I have here some kangkong. I have some kangkong leaves, and it's a bunch of, because here they're selling it by bunch, so I have taken one bunch. And I'm gonna put some what we call this, lady finger or okra. So I don't want to cut because anyway I have taken the small ones, so I just have to cook this as whole. And I have some green chillies. I have 2 of this. I have cut into half. I have 1 tomato. I have cut into chunk, and some garlic also, and some gingers. So I have enough ginger here, so just quite a few of ginger, and 1 chop of onion. And of course we need salt, water, and we're gonna use this one, sinigang sa sampalok. So I'm gonna use like half or 1 tablespoon of this, and of course salt to taste. So and cooking oil. So I'm using olive oil. Any cooking oil you have, that will do as well. So anyway, please keep on watching. So now our pan is heated up with olive oil. Olive oil, I'm only putting like 2 to 3 tablespoons. So first we have to dump our onion. We just have to saute our onion until it gets translucent or change into a brown color. And also we're gonna dump as well our green chili. Now it's followed by garlic. We just have to saute our garlic just 1 minute. And then we can also put our ginger now. So we just have to saute. You have to be careful it doesn't get burned. And now followed by tomato. So I'm adding salt, so my tomato will get cooked faster. So we just have to sprinkle the salt in it. So this is one of the tips if you want to cook your tomato pasta or even the onion. Just add salt in it, then it will cook faster. until the tomato becomes soft and smushy. Then we can add water in this. So as you can see, our tomato is cooked faster. So now it's all mushy. So it's time for us to add our water. For the water, it just depends on you guys how much.
Sorry guys, I was having fun with my new toy, the car. Look, it makes noise. I love this toy.
I bought her a new car remote control, so she's playing right now. She's making so much noise. Anyway, for the water, it's depend on you how much quantities you need or how much soup you require in your dish. So on this, I'm gonna add this sinigang na sampalok powder. So I'm gonna add just about half tablespoon. I don't want so much sour on my dish. So now they just simmer this until it gets boiled. Then we can add our fish or ladyfinger or okra. First, they just get boiled first. So now our water has been boiling now, so it's time to put our ladyfinger. Just dump like this, and our fish and our shrimp. So we don't have to overcook our shrimp. Anyway, salmon, it doesn't take time to cook, so it will get cooked together with the shrimp. And then I just want to leave it open. And then once it's almost done, we can put our kangkong. And then now we can add our salt as well. So I'm putting right now just for me, I'm gonna put 3/4 teaspoon of salt, but for you guys, it just depends of your taste. It's depend of your liking. So because a while ago when I'm cooking my onion, onion and tomato and garlic, I already added salt, so I don't require so much salt. Plus I have also sinigang powder here, so I don't want to becoming salty. So now this is the time where we can add our kangkong. You just have to mix it and just cook this for 1 minute. Then we have to switch off the gas. And now our sinigang na salmon and shrimp is ready. So now this is okay. We can switch off our gas. So this is perfect and very healthy, quick and easy also. So this is how I make my sinigang na salmon and shrimp. So if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, so you will be notified every time I have a new uploads. I hope to see you to our next one. Bye.